Hello and welcome to the series of videos where we're going to be looking at all different types of van ownership, whether that's full-time lived-in vans, day vans, surf vans, show vans, all sorts. So come and join me as we hit the road and explore the phenomenon that is van life. Okay, so for this next video, I'm in the Lake District. It's a beautiful part of the country, and I'm here to see this American school bus with a Volkswagen T25 molded into the roof. The guys live in it full time, they're off-grid. This could be the ultimate van. Let's check it out. Thank you for showing me around your bus, your van, your home. How did you start off with this? Because I mean, there aren't many community buses in the UK anyway, let alone ones with Volkswagens on the roof.
No. Basically it was YouTube and Instagram, looking at people in America, at bus conversions that have been done out there.
Yeah.
And out in America they do all sorts. They've got big decks on top, and a couple of people put VWs on top. But the shorter bus worked better in Cumbria because getting around the lanes and the roads, the big buses are too long, so we got a short one and put the VW on top. I just thought that worked. It worked well keeping the bedroom separate from the kitchen as well.
Yeah.
So you're not sleeping in your cooking smell.
Definitely. It's quite a big space in here. So
yeah.
And there's quite a lot of
6'2", so height-wise it's pretty good for me.
So was it comfortable being in here? You were
we were in for nine months. Originally we planned to stay for 3 weeks, but we had the opportunity to stay longer, so we did.
So in terms of layout, I guess certain things needed to come in to the build. Was the van on the top always part of the plan?
Yeah, because for what we wanted to do, to have like it as accommodation, or if you were, for us living in it for a bit, you need a bit more space, I think, and putting the VW on the top gives you a huge bedroom. Well, it's a double bed, which you probably couldn't have down here comfortably. And like I say, it's better sleeping away from where you're cooking because of the cooking smells and stuff. It's nice having a separate bedroom. And there's the view from upstairs.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Panoramic with the 225 windows right round. So yeah, we had got the dog in amongst living here as well. So there was me, Hannah, my wife, and Ruben, the dog. Ruben just slept in his little bed at the back here, and we found it pretty good. I mean, you adapt to your space, so we didn't fill it with things we didn't need. I don't have many clothes anyway. Hannah does. So I had a little shelf here for my clothes, and Hannah had all her clothes over there. And we managed okay with space. The only time it got difficult was sometimes when you're coming in with your wet gear and your wet boots. But I think as long as you keep, if it's a small space, if you keep it tidy and keep on top of it, it's okay. If you let it get dirty and you don't put things away, that's when it starts getting a bit tricky. But as long as you keep putting things away. And
so you're not living in this anymore then?
No. We when we moved in the bus, we let our house out, and then when my dad got ill and we moved out the bus again, we moved back into the house. It just so happened that those people were leaving, those tenants.
Right.
And so we moved back in. But yeah, we might have still been here if not.
But now it's open to other people, so they can stay here.
Yeah, so that's why I started it in the first place, really. To let it out as a holiday let, to be able to get into positions like this that you can't normally get into. And the bus moves around each month, around different areas. We're in the Lawton Valley at the moment. but they're all good locations by a river or halfway up a mountain like we are now.
The view is stunning.
Yeah, it's good here. Yeah. But yeah, that was always the plan.
Yeah.
But we wanted to try it out first. It ended up being a bit longer than we originally thought.
Yeah. I'm not surprised.
Which was good. It was an
beautiful
experience. The solar panels on the top, they're each of those solar panels are 300, and then the batteries are there's 4 batteries, and each of those are 200 Ah.
Yeah.
But in this position now, I was saying earlier, we probably need to move because these trees are covering the panels a bit now. We need to go the other side of this stream.
Yeah.
But through summer we've been absolutely fine, but it's just through winter we need to maximise it a bit. They're flat as well, we don't have them angled, so that doesn't help things, but but yeah, it's been okay so far.
So is this your first build?
First thing that I've done like this.
Yeah. It looks incredible.
But
like, it looks beautiful inside. It looks like it's finished really nicely as well. And
yeah, thanks.
As I was saying earlier, the fact that there's marble on the floor.
Yeah.
The mat's sunk into the floor. It's not just
a
floor. We'll put some seats in. It looks like you've really thought through for a long time.
It's more like it's definitely more like a house to us in here. A lot of the fittings, the cupboard doors, these are out of a museum in London.
Right.
They're out the same museum. The door handles out of an old hotel. Huh. Those doors are out of an office building. The lamps, an old machinist's lamp. This is an old pub table. So these are all off a German U-boat. These lights.
Oh really?
So there's all bits and pieces about, but there's little details like the toggle switch lights and like the brass bar in the wardrobe for hanging things on. And
so I guess it's those finishing touches as well which makes the difference.
It's all in the I've always thought it's all in the detail, and I mean the curtains were quite tricky to figure out how to do to make it easy for somebody to do the curtains up and down, but we didn't want them down the sides to take up, because the glass is like one of the main things is the view. Sure. And we didn't want curtains going all down the bus blocking the view, so these are Swedish. This is Swedish blinds, it's called. So my wife's mum made those for us, but they work great. They just roll up and down, and you've still got the whole window visible. So, and we've got those upstairs as well. Yeah. And they seem to work okay.
Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video looking around the American school bus with a Volkswagen on the roof. It's bonkers, but I really, really like it. So much so that I'd love to move into it right now. It's very peaceful here, it's very calm. There's a stream just at the bottom of the hill. Very nice. Do you think you could live here off-grid? Let me know in the comments, I'd be interested to see what you guys think. So I'm on the lookout now for the next video for an adventure wagon. If you've got one of those, let me know. Be sure to follow Hinterlands on social media. That's those guys. Follow me, A Thompson's Photo, and make sure you follow Turtle Wax. Subscribe so you can see the next fan video, and in the description are links to the products we've used in this video. I'll see you on the next one.